Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website for a client. First, it's crucial to kick off your project by deeply understanding your client's vision. Spend time discussing their business goals, target audience, and what they hope to achieve with their new website. This initial discovery phase, often taking 1 to 2 hours, helps define the project's scope, essential features, and content needs. Always agree on a clear budget and payment terms upfront to ensure a smooth working relationship. Next, we move to building the website's foundation. Select a reputable web host and secure a domain name that reflects your client's brand. Then, install WordPress, which typically takes just a few minutes. Choose a high-quality, responsive theme that fits the project's aesthetic and functional needs. Dedicate several hours to customizing the theme, ensuring it perfectly matches the client's branding. Finally, install crucial plugins for security, search engine optimization, and overall site performance. With the foundation set, it's time to populate and enhance the site. Begin by creating and organizing all the website's pages and posts, ensuring a logical flow for visitors. Optimize all images and media files to guarantee quick loading times, which is vital for user experience. Integrate interactive elements like contact forms, image galleries, or booking systems as required. Spend at least one full day ensuring the website is completely responsive, looking great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. The final stage involves rigorous testing, launch, and client handover. Dedicate several hours to thoroughly testing every feature, link, and form to ensure flawless functionality. Optimize the site for search engines and performance, aiming for a page load time under 3 seconds. Provide your client with comprehensive training and clear documentation, empowering them to manage their new site. After a successful launch, consider offering ongoing maintenance and support, building a long-term client relationship.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.